Hey y'all, ever wonder what happens when you leave cabbages in the garden too long? Yeah, that's what happens. They split, they explode. That one's split, this one's split, and I think this one is probably split in half rotten. So I'll be cutting these up to see what I can get out of them. I know we're having this one for dinner tonight, and the rest we'll see what I can do with them. Okay, here's what's left of those 4 cabbages. So this one I cut. This is for dinner tonight. I shredded some of that one, about a quarter of it, for tacos tomorrow night. I have the small one that hadn't split going in the fridge. It did have a little bit of a spot where it was eaten away a little bit, but that one's going in the fridge. And then I have these 2 bags, 1 cabbage in each one. Those are going in the freezer. If I don't blanch them, I've got to use them within 2 months. I'm confident we can do that. We make a lot of things with cabbage, so that's where I'm at.